Reasons why the real investment is time. Invest it wisely. Time can make you or mar you. Time is what made Warren Buffett, Jack Ma, Bill Gates, and many other billionaires who they are today. Yes, it's mostly time with some hard work. Hey there, moneymakers. Did you know the importance of time investment is on par with that of stock and real estate investments? How, you might ask? Well, you'll soon find out. In this video, we're going to be telling you what time investment is and why time investment is too important, so keep watching. Please note that this video is not created to make you feel bad about the things that you've used your time to do in the past, but to help you see the importance of investing your time and the advantages if you do so. This is Wealthy Fact, where you come to watch, implement, and get wealthy. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel, slap that notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. Now, before we dive into the meat of this video, let's answer a simple question. What is investment? Well, it's simple. Investment is the action or process of putting conscious effort into something which will yield results in the long run. There is no billionaire that exists today that didn't invest one thing or another to get where he or she is. Time, just like money, is an essential commodity that you can spend frivolously or invest in things that can improve your life. It's all up to you. Take a moment to reflect on that. Think about how you utilize your time and what you can do to be better at it. Now that we've said all this, let's tell you some reasons why the real investment is time and why you should invest it wisely. And away we go. Number 1, you would have a better understanding of things. Wow, this guy really knows a lot, but how? You probably might have heard someone say this before. Would you be surprised if we told you that the person who knows so much knows things because of time? Not just time that has passed, but time spent reading good books. Reading business-oriented books opens your mind towards understanding different things from different perspectives. Let's explain with an example. Imagine that there are two friends named Yellow and Blue. Now, both of them want to become tech businessmen, probably even greater than Bill Gates and Mark Zuckerberg. Every day, Yellow finds time to dedicate 5 hours of his time to reading business books recommended by Warren Buffett, while Blue takes his extra time to sleep. Now, sleep is good, but as we always say, prioritize your time wisely. This goes on for a really long time until one day, Yellow gets invited for an interview. He crushes the interview so well it leaves Blue confused and thinking how he could have passed the interview. With time, the difference in performance multiplies. Fun facts. Did you know Elon Musk grew up reading 2 books a day? Mark Cuban reads for more than 3 hours a day. Arthur Blank reads 2 hours a day. David Rubenstein reads 6 books a week. Now, these billionaires we just mentioned are where they are today because of the way they invested their time. Time investment is really powerful, so invest it wisely. Investing your time in business and self-development books gives you the knowledge and experience gained by numerous businessmen all around the world. It's like a magical fruit that makes you muscular without having to go to the gym. Now, don't get us wrong, it's good to go out and have a drink with friends, have fun, live life, but make sure it doesn't eat into your investment or self-development time. Find a way to balance the two. Are you getting the point? Number 2. Investing your time makes you less gullible. Not following? Let us explain. The business and entrepreneurship world is full of competition. A lot of strategic thinkers. If your mind cannot compete, you'd definitely be cheated. Investing your time in growing your mind and gaining knowledge is very important. And what other method is there through which knowledge can be gained other than reading books? There is a higher amount of reliable information in books than in any other place. If you're not one who reads books related to what you do and related to what your rivals do, you're very likely to swallow any kind of information you're given. Number 3. Investing your time widens your scope of knowledge. If you have a conversation with a billionaire, you can talk about almost anything, which includes, but not limited to, politics, lifestyle, investment, fashion, and most likely movies. Sounds good, right? Have you ever wondered how some people know so much about so many things? It sometimes makes you feel inferior. Well, there's no big secret. They read. Now, we know that we've been talking about reading a lot, but that's one of the greatest ways to invest your time in the business or entrepreneurship world. Reading books will not only give you information, but can widen your scope of knowledge, which can strengthen relationships between you and other businessmen. How, you ask? Let's ask you a question instead. Would you rather have a conversation with someone who knows very little about a topic and can barely flow with you? Or someone who knows a lot about almost everything and even makes you want to gain more knowledge? You probably chose the latter. So invest that time in a good book. You could always go for books like How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie, The 4-Hour Workweek, Escape the 9-to-5, Live Anywhere and Join the New Rich by Timothy Ferriss, The Intelligent Investor by Warren Buffett, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Number 4. Investing your time into constant execution makes you a master of your practice. I'm sure you've heard of the 10,000-hour rule. We fully agree with this concept and that people can always get good at something they invest time into. 10,000 hours is a lot of time. This translates to roughly about 5 to 6 years of time when taking into account all vacation days or weekends, etc. Try concentrating on one single thing for 5 to 6 years. It's almost guaranteed that you'll be worlds ahead of others in that specific area. If it's business, you'll have become a competent businessman. If it's learning a language, you'll likely have become nearly fluent. Time is a powerful and scary tool. What you can gain by investing time long-term compounds as time passes. Likewise, the gap between one who invests time wisely and one who doesn't also widens at a multiplying rate. It is one darn of a race we're in, but that's just the reality of time. Okay, that was fun. If you notice, we mainly talked about the importance of investing your time into reading good books and practicing your art. Now let's talk about investing your time into good friends, which is something we all need. How is it possible to invest actual time into friends? And how is it related to business and success, you might ask? Let's explain. There's a popular saying which goes, "Show me your friends, and I'll show you who you are." It's a saying almost everyone has heard of. But did you know that your friends can make you great, and these same friends can also make you poor? Investing your time with serious business-oriented friends will not only have a positive impact on you currently, but also on your future. Friends tend to affect the way someone thinks all the time. If all your friends do is talk about business and making money, eventually you'd start thinking in such a direction as well. Oriented friends would engage you in discussions that are challenging, which will even push you to do further research on such topics being discussed. Subconsciously, you're developing yourself, so beware of the circle you keep. Now we're at the tippy top of the time investment roller coaster. Let's talk about a few reasons why you should invest your time in good friends. Number 5. Good friends give you a positive mindset. Negativity never produces good output. If you hang around friends that have a negative attitude towards work, we advise that you run. Run as far as you can from them. Negativity is a poison to the mind and a deterrent to success. Taking your time to invest in good friends will help you to succeed. Number 6. You'd be able to make better decisions. Have you ever wanted to do something and had absolutely no idea how to do it? Well, good friends can help you achieve those things. Business-oriented people can always help you see situations from different perspectives, rather than people who would just laugh, tell you to love life and drink beer. Decision-making is a lot easier and much better with good friends. After all, 2 heads are better than 1. Investing your time in good friends will help you make better decisions now and in the future. Number 7. You'd become a better person altogether. How does investing my time in friends make me a better person? Let's explain. When you have good friends, they will affect you. When you have bad friends, they will also affect you. People tend to copy those closest to them most of the time, so why not choose good friends that can help you improve altogether? If you notice, every group of friends always has the same particular trait, be it snubbing or something else, and you'd hardly see billionaires make friends with people who cannot impact their lives in any way. This is because they know the importance of friendship, so choose your friends wisely. Now, why is time the real investment? Investment of money gives you more money, but investment of time gives you control over the money and teaches you how to draw even more money from other methods of investment. Great things cannot be achieved without time. Time is not just an important part, but an essential part of making anything happen. Stock market appreciation, real estate market appreciation, business growth, personal growth, everything in this world requires time. The real investment is always time. It is time that brings things into fruition. So what do you want to bring into fruition for you? It is what you spend your time doing that you would see the results of. Warren Buffett once said, "No matter how great your talents or efforts, some things take time. You can't produce a baby in 1 month by getting 9 women pregnant. So, invest your time wisely." And that brings us to the end of this awesome video. We hope you enjoyed the list of things we provided and hope it helps you in knowing why time is the real investment. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and do you think bad time investment with conscious effort can still lead to success? Leave your answers in the comments section below and be sure to patronize our sponsors and follow up on all social media platforms. Now go and strategize.